Hi everyone, my name is Christine Valentine, for those of you who don't know. I'm just here to quickly stop by and talk a little bit more about my upcoming workshop and really the impetus behind offering such a workshop. I work with children ages 3 to 8, and a lot of what I do with them is working with the parents as well and doing a lot of explaining around what does play therapy look like, how will we know when progress has been made, but then also understanding some of the barriers that many of them may have and when deciding to have their child attend play therapy. So this upcoming workshop on August 24th, entitled Parents in Play Therapy, is really going to look at some of the cultural barriers to having children in the play therapy room, working with the parents, and then giving us a better understanding about what do we need to know about some of the cultures that are coming to us. How do we start talking with them and preparing the parents for coming into the playroom so that ultimately we're helping the child. So really this workshop is geared towards mental health professionals who are looking to learn more about barriers that parents face, at least from a cultural perspective, barriers that the therapists themselves may face, especially when we're talking about cultural differences. And then also understanding some of the ways that we could potentially enhance our playroom. So I hope you sign up. Deadline to register is August 16th, so don't delay. Thanks so much.